Alright, so I'm a little bit sick, so bear with me, but this is my trade recap for March 26th. We're sitting at 54. Um, Basically it was a 1K day, $200 loss in the day as well. But yeah, pretty good. Um, Respected my model pretty much. I mean, we'll talk about it, but all right. So yesterday I had this high time frame bearish row. You got marked out, and we have had very heavy displacement to the upside, and Sunday gap opening down here at discount of the range. So I was like, all right, that's the 50% retracement level, and you know that's gonna be my draw for today. We're in a high time frame bearish rally gap. We have Sunday gap opening, very strong DOL. So that was my kind of my story for my bias for today, right? I wanted to see lower, obviously. So then let's get into the 1 hour and kind of give my thoughts and concerns. So we have obviously have an SMT at the highs, which I had marked out down here. Um, if you zoom in, we first we respected the bullish value gap. Um, wow, yes, it just did not really go that much lower, dude. Unless my shit, yeah, I mean, I don't know. ES price structure is a little bit, because that's the index. What a fucking idiot. What a fucking idiot. All right. Um. So yeah, at first we respected the bullish priority gap and the one to our left. Just pick my nose. Don't mind me. Um. But then we put in a ES took all these highs and NQ left most of them, and we had an inverse here, right? With pretty much displacement. But not quite. We still respected this bullish value gap, I'd say, because we came to the lower end. Um, but yeah, so we had an inverse right here on this little thingy, and on ES, as you can see. Um, and what do we do? So we came back into the initial inverse, right? Body's respecting, so on a lower time frame, we were inside of it and came above it, but on a high time frame, we're respecting it with the bodies, and then on NQ, we barely tapped it with the wicks. So let's go to the 15-minute and I'll give my more exact trade. So we're inside this high time frame bearish value gap. We had heavy displacement, right? Previous like few days. We have Sunday gap opening deep down in discount of the range. So I'm very bearish, but we're respecting bullish PDRAs pretty much, right? So I'm just waiting to see what price wants to tell me. So what I see is I see yes, run these highs, right? I might have some marked out. Yes, runs buy side, right? Here. Yes, runs buy side. Alright, so we have the liquidity go lower. NQ leaves buy side. Respects the initial inverse, right? Same with ES. This is inverse over here as well. We respect the initial inverse. We had displacement lower. We took internal. We took high time frame. We have a high time frame PD array we're inside of. We have inverse. We're respecting this inverse, and we put in another inverse over here. So we have a low time frame SMT. We're inside the low time frame inverse. We took buy side. Confluences are just stacking at this point. NQ wanted to go lower all day. You could really just tell by the PA here compared to ES's. And yeah, so I was kind of worried that ES is going to come take these highs before going lower, but we didn't. And NQ didn't even take any sorts of highs, just dropped. So let's get to the 5 minute, and I'll explain what happened and why I need to respect my model more. So I have a picture I'll pull up real quick. Um, I took a picture and I said, I need to respect my model and my rules and eliminate the fear of losing to actually get good trades in. Because I had a very good fill, right? I had a fill that was like up here because I was trusting the model, right? Now we have a, or it was like right here. We had displacement, we had the inverse, we had a high time frame SMT. You know, everything was looking good. Low time, we had SMT right here, right? We come back in initial inverse, we're respecting with bodies, but I was just scared, bro. Like I just really did not want to lose. I entered like right here, and I could have caught this whole move, but then my fill ended up being like down here. Still very nice trade. Obviously, could be sold off to the ground, but if I would have got my initial fill, I would have been looking a lot better for the day. Because I had a fill like right here, and I saw this displacement higher, and I was like freaking out. But I really just need to fucking eliminate the fear of losing and the fear of like, you know, blowing the account again, and like stop worrying about money and just like, trade as a robot. Like, that shit's real, bro. I need to trade as a robot. um, but yeah, um, I'm gonna put in my journal for today this picture. Um, it's calling my phone. Sorry, I'm listening to Lucky. Okay, yeah, it's on the right account. But yeah, so this just as a trade. My TP was down here, and I got out down there. I don't know how to leave a runner. I'm gonna look it up if I'm gonna be fully honest with you. But I wanted to leave a runner to Sunday gap opening, and if I would have, that would have been so nice. But this was really just an A plus setup. If you really think about it, like this is an A plus plus setup. Like this is the kind of setups that MS prey on. You know what I mean? So I'm very thankful for this setup. The market literally showed me this today. I'm just putting it in my journal right now. Yeah, the market showed me this today. Like it gave me this trade, bro. It literally gave me this trade. Like I can't. Words don't even express, bro. Edit slide. Here we go. All right, I'm gonna add this picture. Image from photos. Put it to the left. And I'm gonna say, and then I'm gonna get a picture from the chart. If you want to click off, you can click off, but I'm just trying to get myself right here. We'll do the 15-minute actually on both. I'm gonna say, I'll put this here. Oh my days. Might have to move this. Constantly move it down. March 26th win. Add it to the wins. March 26th win. Notes would be trust the model more and eliminate the fear of losing and learn to Okay. Um, I'm gonna say put this is a plus setup. All right, that's gonna be it. Yeah, hope y'all boys enjoyed, and let me know. Yeah, I'm just like I'm really waiting on. I want to be profitable really bad, and I'm trying to respect my rules and shit. And like I'm trying to make this I just want to make this work, bro. Like this is like damn near my entire life at this point, so like really just want to make this shit work. I'm trying to respect my rules. Um, I feel like the more I forward test, like the better I'm getting. Like I need to wake up every day. I've been sick. I was sick 2 days ago. I took a loss yesterday because I was trading like past AM session into like New York lunch. Like it's just idiot shit, bro. Like why would you even do that? You know what I mean? Um, but yeah. Um, really trying to make this shit work, and we're just gonna get to it, bro. Just need to respect my rules. I need to keep journaling. I need to keep learning. Watch more Justin, because Justin's like the GOAT at this. He made this model, bro. He's the GOAT. And just really just stay learning. You know what I mean? Stay humble too. I took a loss today and I felt like $1 million, but I mean I took a win today and I felt like $1 million, but like I know the markets will take everything away from me if I don't stay humble. So respecting my rules and shit. And yeah, that's it.